What's going on, man? Y'all see I'm back with another video. Hey, today is the day, bro. This is the startup. Like, whoo, I was doing hella research yesterday, man, and I found out some good news. So we started up today, so we gonna get right into the video. Like I said, I don't really know much about carburetor engines, you feel me? I just know how to put them on and tune them a little bit, but I ain't no carburetor professional. But I was doing hella crazy stuff yesterday, so let me show y'all what I was doing. I'm trying to get this stabilization right until I get my GoPro, so I'm trying to keep the camera steady, you know what I'm saying, to make it look, you know what I'm saying, a little better. But as y'all see, I got a wire ran, boom, boom, fuel pump. Now for the old heads that already know where I messed up at, so I have a mechanical fuel pump on my car. So I was like flooding the carburetor, didn't even know it, you feel me? Cleaned it up yesterday and I was like, I'm gonna just call it a day. And after that, did my research. We cranking up today. Hopefully my neighbors don't get mad. Alright, I'm gonna throw that back on. So what I'm gonna do, actually gonna take this out. Yeah, I was tripping, y'all. I was tripping bad. Dirty battery cable. Alright, here we go. Take, I don't know. Hit that gas a little bit. I hope it working. I don't know, y'all might be doing it wrong now. Oh, it's going here. No, y'all looking at me like, bro, finna blow it up. Just to give it a little boost, you feel me? Cause I know the fuel pump gotta be working. So far, I need a fuel pump because it's not pulling no kind of gas. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna prime it with the mechanical fuel pump just to get a start up, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can see it start up, but this is what I got. So we just do this just until I see the filter fill up. Turn that off. It's on the switch, so I'll be good. So just to see the filter fill. It ain't even come on. I know why. Nope, nothing. Actually, don't know why. Didn't even see no gas coming out of here. You know, that's how I knew yesterday, like it was just too much. Yeah, I don't even know where to go from here. Okay, so I went ahead and checked what I didn't want to check, and it ended up being what I didn't want to check. So I don't know what you call it, but yeah, man, you can look at it and see that it's bad. Now watch this, y'all. I think it's this side, yeah. Look, it is stuck closed. I think that's closed or open. I don't know, but either way, it's stuck. It don't move. Dang, my bad. Either way, it's stuck. It do not move at all. And while I'm out, I'm probably gonna look up a fuel pump, and we're gonna go from there. But yeah, man, this thing is horrible. Like, it just stuck. Yes, sir. This is the exact one, because this is what I have. I got a Holly, and I managed to find the exact one, like literally. So I'm finna go on and get this put on. And for my card people, if y'all concerned, yes, I done marked this. I done marked the bolt, and I done counted the threads, so y'all don't gotta worry about that. So yeah, let's get on to get this thing put on, boy. Now, this is what it's supposed to do. Let me see if I can get a better thing. Feel me? It moves freely. You probably can hear it. You feel me? So it lined up just like that with my line, and I just turn it until it tighten up, and when it tighten up, it's gonna line right back up with this. So boom, got the bolt in, move this.
Hey Glazer, I see you.
Alright, I put the tube in there. So let's see what kind of look we finna get now. Stand up. I don't know what that was. Alright, as y'all see, boy, it's later in the day, boy. I've been ripping and running and had to go, you know what I'm saying, do a little few things, but come to find out, I wasn't getting no gas. You feel me? So went to buy this. Well, I'm about over that truck, no cap. Alright, so let me go on and put this on and we're gonna go from there. Man, I went ahead and took the whole hood off the car so I can sit my black self right here and take off the front and the back bowl. Back bowl. Back bowl. So this is the front. This is good, but it wasn't adjusted right, so it was all the way to the top like this. No, in here, bruh, and it stinks so bad. So the adjuster was actually stuck. So yeah, man, end up buying a fuel pump that works great. Find out that both of these was overflowing. I took them out. It was like old gas in here. As y'all can see, like the top is silver and the bottom is brown. So yeah, man, until next time, I'm gonna have to buy the gasket for the front and the back. And bro, this is like a 3-day process. I'm blowed, like, you feel me? So I might put the next day on this one video instead of like spacing it out with 3 videos, because this is already a second video. So yeah, man, until next time, again.